In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Asana. By the end, you'll have the Asana app installed in HubSpot, so your sales and marketing work can hand off smoothly to project execution. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for HubSpot. This is the quickest way to land on the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. Click through to the HubSpot homepage and sign in to your account. If you manage multiple accounts or portals, make sure you're in the one where you want the integration installed. It also helps to have admin permissions, since installing Marketplace apps usually requires them. Once you're in HubSpot, look toward the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. This opens HubSpot's App Marketplace, which is where all verified integrations live. Click that icon, then choose the HubSpot Marketplace option to launch the catalog. Inside the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Asana. You'll see the Asana integration appear in the results. Click on it to open the listing page. Here, you can skim the overview and check what the app can access. This page also outlines key capabilities like connecting HubSpot records to Asana tasks, which keeps your pipeline activities and project work in sync. Confirm that the app is published by a trusted source and that it supports your HubSpot plan. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot may ask you to confirm which account you're installing to and to accept required permissions. Grant the requested access so the two systems can communicate properly. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them for this step so the authorization windows can open. If this is your first time connecting Asana, you'll be prompted to log in to your Asana account. Enter your credentials securely, and if you use single sign-on, follow that process. You may also be asked to select the correct Asana workspace or organization, especially if you belong to more than one. Choose the workspace that matches your team's projects, then approve the connection so HubSpot can create or link tasks as needed. After authorization, the install flow will return you to HubSpot and confirm that the app is ready. That's it. You've successfully connected HubSpot with Asana using the HubSpot App Marketplace. From here, you can take advantage of the integration to keep deal progress and project delivery aligned without manual copy and paste. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the smoother handoffs between your teams.